realized something just now. Every single time I meet a girl, she ends up trying to murder me. Everybody's after my chainsaw heart. What about my heart? Denji's heart. Does nobody want that? Ah!
I saw it glitter as I grew and loved him.
ありがとう。
I never knew I'd
私この先の二道絶対来てね。
But now it's just a monument in my